Hi, I'm Rachel and welcome to my outdoor adventure review channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing some roasting sticks. These roasting sticks were sent to me by Walden Backyards after seeing one of my videos of their product, the Stoker Poker. I'll link that in the description. They sent me a few of their products to review. I'm not being paid for this review, nor was I told anything to say. They are offering my viewers a 15% discount. You'll use the code ROAR15 at checkout, and in the US, there is free shipping. So let's get into the details of these roasting sticks. There are two different types of roasting sticks. You have the regular, and then you also have the safety. They both come in a pack of 4 or a pack of 6. They have a nice nylon canvas bag. It's 12 by 5, and it is very spacious for even the 4-pack. They also come with some extra protector covers for the skewers to keep the skewers safe and from poking a hole in your bag. The difference between the regular roasting stick and the safety roasting stick are the tines. The tines on the safety are facing towards you as you roast your hot dogs, marshmallows, and the tines on the regular are just as it sounds. They're pointing away from you. The roasting stick expands from 10 inches to 34 inches. They have a very nice wooden handle. They also have a built-in rotator. So you can just hold the handle and spin the skewer so that you don't burn your food. Here is a look at the safety roasting stick. This would be really a good option for kids, or what came to my mind is roasting marshmallows on here. You know, I like to roast my marshmallows to a golden perfection, so sometimes that can take a long time, and when companies have the rotating handle, I find it very, very helpful because then I don't have to use my wrist to rotate it. It's a lot more smooth and my marshmallow will not fall off. Now that I have gone over the features of each roasting stick, let's put them to use, roasting some delicious food with a special guest. This is my special guest, my lovely niece, Lexi. If you've never seen her before on this channel, I don't know if you've been on my review channel. Well, you did help me for the teen emergency car kit video, but I think you were only in the background. But this is Lexi, and she is the best helper, actually the best. So her reward, her only payment, are gonna be hot dogs and what are these?
Marshmallows!
That's right!
Where you can use these sticks for
the hot dogs. And then we're gonna use the safety sticks for the marshmallows. So, should we let this fire really get going and this wood burn, and then we'll start roasting our... No, don't, you gotta take off the protective cover.
No, I don't think we should wait.
No, you just wanna roast it right now?
Ow!
Probably catch on fire.
See, this is why you use the kid-proof ones.
Yeah, so, okay, give it back to me.
No.
You're a kid. You can't have these ones. You have to have the safety ones.
I'll be fine.
Well, then be careful.
Ow, it's so sharp.
Lexi, stop. Yeah, we'll come back when our hot dogs, as Jordy used to call them, are ready to go.
Peace out.
Girl Scout. Lexi is all done with her hot dog. So she is gonna eat hers while I just finish mine up. Is it cold in the middle? Why did you do that? Because she's a faker. Smoke really does follow beauty, so she is hiding her eyes right now behind some sunglasses. She's really not too cool for school at the moment. No, you are? Oh yeah. Lexi did point out one thing while roasting her hot dog. Do you want to talk about that, baby?
It is. It's a little hard to move the rotator when it's really heavy because there's a hot dog on it, so it's heavy, so I couldn't twist it as well. But yeah,
even though she is very muscular, she couldn't handle it, but I could. I was really good at it.
no, I could.
But you just didn't want to?
No, I
you
did.
couldn't. You said this is too hard.
No, I didn't.
Rewind the tape. So yeah, Lexi does make a good point that when you do have heavy things on the end, it really isn't. It isn't as easy to turn. So you may have to use your wrist in those cases. But I think with the marshmallows, you think it'll be hard with the marshmallows?
Mm-mm.
What about the big giant marshmallows we have?
No.
Okay. We're going to finish our hot dogs and come back for some marshmallows. We have stuffed puffs. What are these ones? Cookies and cream. Giant. I am loving this design for marshmallows. Seriously, these have to be the best for marshmallows. I know they're for kids, and luckily we have a child here.
My glasses just fell up.
And look at that. When they get ooey gooey golden beautified.
They kind of look like on ships, like we're like one of those.
The anchor?
Yeah, it kind of looks like the anchor. See?
Okay, now this. What do you have to say about the roasting part? The rotating part now, baby?
It's easier.
Yeah, it is. It's like, I love these. I love this style for marshmallows.
These are a really good shape for the marshmallows.
Oh, you're getting it. Sorry, baby. You're gonna burn. Yours is gonna catch on fire. You're too low. So the thing with these is, I think you have to really kind of slow down the cooking because of the middle. If you want the middle gooey.
Mine looks actually not too bad.
Okay, you want to try it? Here. Ooh.
You didn't bring any graham crackers.
No, we don't need all that fancy stuff.
The graham crackers?
Yeah. Who needs graham crackers? We just get right to it. Yeah, these are made of stainless steel.
So it doesn't stain?
Yeah. So the steel does not stain.
That's what I was going to say on the other one, that doesn't stain.
Really? In 10 to 15 words or less. Would you use these again? Would you recommend them?
I would recommend them, especially for toddlers.
Toddlers?
Yeah. Because they can woo, woo, bow, bow. Or hit a fly, or hit a cow.
Okay.
But the cow won't hurt.
Okay, that's more than 10 words. Okay, you're done.
I'm not done. Okay.
No, you're done.
And hit.
I really like these roasting sticks. My favorite were the safety ones because whenever I am cooking something with roasting sticks over a fire, it tends to be marshmallows. And so for that reason, they are my favorite. And I really like that they come with the rotating knob. The handle is nice and large, so it's just not a little tiny wiry handle. But overall, I really like these. So I'd love to hear what you thought of these roasting sticks. If you have any of these, are you familiar with this style? And if you're interested in buying, be sure to check the description for my coupon code ROAR15. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one.
Peace! So.
Thank you for joining Lexi.
Yeah. Free food.
They come. Lexi! I'm getting sunburned.